This is how you take apart your Xbox. The cover, not the metal piece inside. So you need a flathead, screwdriver, and a paper clip with the bent stick out like this. So first thing you want to do is you want to take off the faceplate. The faceplate is pretty simple. Inside the slot, there's a little lip you just lift up. Your faceplate will come right off. Then right after that, it'll open up these. That way you can take your flathead and put it in there. You just want to lift up and it comes off. If you have any problem with it, just like put your screwdriver near the pin and lift up on each pin and just do that. Don't be scared to put force. And then you pop off this one. Now, there's little pins, little holes back here. And you just want to take your paper clip and just poke it in there until you hear it pop. If you notice, it's open down, but there's more on the other side you gotta do. You just want to be careful, or else they can snap back. There we go. These ones got back. Hold on. Alright, let's just do the front now. Okay, so the front, there's little clips. There's gonna be 3 of them. Okay, so on your Xbox, there's normally a sticker over this clip. It's so that way Microsoft knows if you open up your Xbox. If you're not planning on turning in your Xbox, or if your warranty's over, just go ahead and flip that off. Now you have the cover off. I think the back re-closed itself. Okay, well now it's open. I don't think I broke anything. As you see, there's screws right here. If you have a small enough flathead, you can just use the flathead and you can open it. But the actual tool is actually called a T10 Torx screwdriver. You need to buy it in a special kit. They're computer screwdrivers for repair kits. You can get them from Microsoft too. And that's basically how you open up your Xbox.